guys, welcome back to my channel Bongyotic, and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So guys, today I'm going to do a much requested video. You guys have requested me and it's my duty to do that video. So one of you wanted me to compare two concealers, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer with the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer. So I'm going to do a junk between this. So basically I'm going to do a battle between these. And so guys, let's not further ado and let's get started with the video. First I'm going to talk about the Maybelline concealer. So this has been an OG concealer for every YouTuber, every makeup artist. Like almost probably everyone owns this right now, every teenager as well. So basically when people start up with so basically everyone have this concealer, and I am in the shade 30 Honey. So this suits me really well, this shade suits me really well. But I'm going to show you like how this works on the skin basically. So you can see that this concealer gives a very medium coverage, like very sheer to medium coverage. This is not at all a high coverage concealer. I hope everyone knows. Concealer is very budget friendly, so anyone can get this. So this concealer retails at 475 rupees and comes in 9 shades in India, but outside India it comes I guess in more shades, but in India it is available in 9 shades. And this comes in quite from a very light color to a decent dark color, I would say. Not the darkest dark color, decent dark color. And this is a very lightweight concealer, like it's really lightweight. It doesn't feel like you have applied anything. It blends out really nice. So this really blends out really nice and very quick. So yes, this is yay for every beginner friendly concealer. This is definitely a beginner friendly concealer if you're a beginner to makeup and everything, so you can definitely buy this concealer. So now let's talk about the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer. So this is how the concealer looks like. I have an in-depth review of this concealer in my channel. I'll link the video somewhere in my I button as well as in the description box below, so do check it to get an in-depth review about this concealer. So this is my second tube basically. I've already finished one cupka and this is my second tube. This is also going to be finished really soon. I need to get a new one. This is such a favorite concealer of mine. I cannot live without this. And like this is basically a very full coverage concealer with a yellow undertone, which suits my skin tone really well. And as a brand, Sugar, like I really love Sugar products and they really make amazing products as well. So this is one of their amazing products, and I'm going to show you the demo like how this performs on my skin. So you can see this is a very full coverage concealer and this works really great. You can see I just applied one layer of this concealer and it gave a full coverage. Concealer price, this concealer retails at ₹7.99, which is slightly expensive. I feel if this could be a 500 rupees concealer, then I'm sure this would be the best in the market. Just the price range, this is a little bit costly, and this comes in a shade range of 6 shades. So I feel they need to include more shades, especially dark shades. They need to include more darker shades, and they do have a good variety of fair, like a medium skin tone range, but they don't have shades for fairer complexion and dark complexion, like those deep beautiful brown girls. So they need to include those two ranges a little bit more in this range. Otherwise this concealer is really good. If you have really dark circles, I would say you can definitely go with this. But if you think like a high coverage concealer would hide your all the dark circles, that deep dark black dark circles, I have seen many people having, and they ask me that Didi, please tell me a good high coverage concealer. But dear, you need to apply a color corrector first and then go with a concealer. Otherwise your dark circles won't, like that darkness won't cancel out. So this you need to layer up if you want a good high coverage, but this a little bit goes along. Like, trust me, this is like concealer, trust me. This retails for only rupees 475 and this retails for rupees 799, 800 basically. So obviously there is like price difference, so there has to be a quality difference. That is why this is medium coverage and this is high coverage, because of the price. This comes in 9 shades in India and this comes in 6 shades. This is probably only available in India. So this comes in 6 shades. So if you talk about the staying power, then definitely this stays longer than this, like according to me, but again it depends on the skin type. According to my sister, this stays longer than this. So it depends on the skin type. My sister is a dry skin person and I'm a oily skin person. And this is a matte concealer. This does mattify, like this just dries out really soon, so you need to be really quick to blend it out. And this is not a matte concealer, I would say, neither a hydrating concealer. This doesn't like hydrates your under eye, but this is decent concealer basically. So if you want like कि कौन सा लूँ कौन सा चूज करूँ, then I would definitely say if you are beginner friendly, if you are just into makeup, go for this one. I'm sure you're not going to regret and you can definitely try this out. So if you're beginner friendly, then definitely go for this. But if you're already into makeup, you know how to use a concealer, a color corrector, and you like little bit glam and high coverage look, then you can definitely go for the Sugar concealer. And also if you're using concealer on a regular basis, then go for the Maybelline one. But if you're using concealers only in like occasion like marriage or any festival party, then you can definitely go for this one only. And one more thing guys, that is this concealer creases a bit on under my eyes if I don't set it well, because maybe I have oily skin type and maybe I have real fine lines, Buddhi Oreos fine lines maybe. So I don't know why, but this concealer creases under my eyes, but this doesn't. So a good point of this concealer is that is the reason I really like this concealer over this one. My second reason why I like this concealer over this one. So guys, this is all about the video and I hope you like the battle between Maybelline concealer and Sugar concealer. If you have any more recommendation on what video you want to see next, then do comment down and I would really like to do that video for you guys, because obviously I want to give more information to you guys about makeup because I'm dealing with it. So basically that. So guys, if you like my video, then do not forget to give a big thumbs up, comment down, share with your friends and family, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon beside it so you do not miss any video that I upload. And I'm really close to 500 subscribers, so please help me out to reach 500 subscribers soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe and stay at your home. Bye bye.